for gift. Why you worry about other people money? Are you watching people them pocket now? You watching people them pocket now? Eh? We are watching people them pocket if they want to give one look of money gone. Somebody said, girl, you're not rich. Then when me tell you I'm rich. When in a life me ever tell you I'm rich? When? Me can't rich and live as a. When me ever tell you I'm blood clot rich? Me can't rich and I worry about how the payment not coming in today. Dirty girl. When me ever tell you I'm rich? Me look rich to you. Eh? Me can't even rich and I worry about deportation. Deportation is the last thing me that worry about because I'm rich, you know. Can't go anywhere, you know. Right now, I'm not even want to make 5 bills. All of this I'm saying, I edit this before I show you a while ago. Blood clot. The chain know people skiller than me. I be a lie me tell you. Listen, be a lie me tell. Thank you for the money, gun. The money came down. You know, let me have this editing on my phone. So when I'm ready for chat and show off, I just show you something. See there? Now I get no money. $170 there on my account for favorited. $170. What that can do? That can ever pay my internet bill, you know, because my internet bill higher than this, you know. And my bill then higher than this, you know. $170 there right here, sir. $170 me make for favor. Now get no money. Me fall off. So, yeah, $170 or 45 cents. See there? Not telling a lie. If you don't want to come over favorite, come give me, please. Earn. See, earn there? Earn. $170 and 45 cents. I'm can cash it out. See there? I'm gonna go cash it out. Transfer. You successfully withdraw $170 and 45 cents. You see it? Me nah no money. No money me nah have. No money. I force me a cash out. See there? $170 that. I Uber money for